Hello friends, welcome to this course, a boot camp to nuclear physics. As the name suggests, this is a course for beginners and amateurs. Students undergoing undergraduate program in physical sciences, chemical sciences, medical sciences, all STEM students can undergo this program for improving their knowledge. I am your instructor, Dr. Shyamkant Anwane, Professor and Head of Physics Department, working with Sri Shivaji Education Society, Amravati Science College, Nagpur. This course is divided into 7 sections and spread over 48 lectures. And at the end of each section, we are going to have a quiz to test the knowledge gained through this program. The most important question is, what will you learn through this course? The subject of nuclear physics started with Rutherford's experiment performed in 1911, and it bloomed into a new branch of physics that we are calling nuclear physics. And this branch of physics was able to answer a band of questions which will be addressed in this course. The curious questions involve: what is the source of solar energy? How long will the sun radiate heat and light for us? What is the source of energy in an atomic bomb or nuclear bomb? Why can't we assemble nucleus in the laboratory? What are radioactivity mechanisms? How the radiations interact with matter and help us find a range of applications in the field of medical sciences and many more. Another important question is, what will you be able to do after this course? That is course outcome. You will be able to calculate radius of nucleus from experimental data of Rutherford's experiment as well as from empirical relation. You will be able to understand the complicated nature of nuclear force. Using mass with atomic mass units, you will be able to estimate mass defect and binding energy. Similarly, a close look at radioactivity with theoretical approach enabling logical understanding with Q-value estimation. Similarly, establishment of empirical formula for liquid drop model, shell model, and Fermi model of nucleus. The existence of magic numbers in view of atomic models you will be able to understand. Moreover, nuclear instrumentation in view of particle accelerators and particle detectors you will be able to understand in terms of construction, working, and the working principle. As I said in the beginning, the course is divided into 7 sections as appearing on your screen. The first section, discovering nucleus, is subdivided into 12 lectures followed by a quiz. The second section, nuclear binding energy, is subdivided into 5 lectures followed by a quiz. The third section of radioactivity is subdivided into 10 video lectures followed by a quiz. The fourth section of nuclear model is subdivided into 4 video lectures followed by a quiz. The fifth subsection of particle accelerator is subdivided into 4 video lectures followed by a quiz. The sixth section of nuclear reactions and energy is subdivided into 7 video lectures followed by a quiz. The seventh section, radiation detectors, is subdivided into 6 video lectures followed by a course. So friends, join the course and let us begin our journey into nuclear physics. Thank you.